Hey everyone, it's Dave. I bought this used Kia, and unfortunately it does have an oil leak. So today I'm going to try to find out where the leak is coming from. I've purchased a fluorescent dye from Amazon and a black light. I'll add the links in the description below, and we'll see what we can figure out. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. Alright, so I do have a theory of where the oil is coming from. When you look under the car, there's oil dripping from two bolts. There's a little gap in between the engine and the transmission, and it's often, or it still could be, the rear main seal leaking, which is bad news. But searches on the internet find that many of these Kia V6 engines, the 2012 V6 Kia Sorento, develop a leak from the oil pressure sensor. So I'm going to see if I can figure out if that's the problem. So one of the reasons why I think it could be the oil pressure sensor is I do have this camera on a scope, and from the right side of the engine there, I went and stuck it up the V between the two block, or in the V of the block, and there is oil there, which would be consistent with the oil pressure sensor leaking. So this was about $20, AC Delco 4-in-1 fluorescent dye, 30 mils. I'm going to just remove the oil cap here and pour it directly into the engine oil. This is also about the cheapest black light I could find on Amazon. I don't recommend it. I'll add the link, but I don't recommend this one. The battery holder was no good. Fortunately, it's like 100 other small flashlights, and I took a battery holder that took AAA batteries from another flashlight, put it in, and it seems to work. So you can see it glowing in the oil filler neck here. Hopefully it'll show up as clear as that when we find the leak. So I'm going to let the engine run for 15 minutes to see if we can see the leak right away. We might be that lucky. We might have to drive it for a while to see where the leak is coming from, but we'll start with a 15-minute test. The oil pressure sensor is so deep in there, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to see it even if it is leaking. But there's no evidence yet after 15 minutes, nor is there any evidence anywhere else on the top of the engine. And when I go underneath the car, the oil at the bottom is also not glowing yet. So I'm going to go ahead and drive it for a few days and come back and see if any of the leaks are more noticeable. So it's been a couple weeks now of driving the vehicle to see if I can find that leak. And the good news is I have found the leak. It's a very small leak. When you film underneath the vehicle, even after 2 weeks, a few hundred kilometers of driving, there's still no fluorescent dye leaking from the bottom of that weep hole coming out the bottom of the engine. At least it's not detectable with the black light that I purchased. But I have taken off the top of the engine to get down into the valley between the V's and confirm that there is an oil leak. So when you do get into the V, you can see there's some oil down in there. I think I'm able to eliminate the best case scenario that it was just simply a leak coming from the oil filter. Now that I can see the more there's not much oil. There's nothing on the plastic housing or on the bottom to suggest it was just a simple leak coming from the gasket on the oil filter. It is coming from something. The oil pressure sensor seems to have some oil inside the electrical connector right here, which I've already removed the electrical connector. When you look inside the opening, it's oily, which is telltale sign that oil is leaking through. So the fluorescent dye works. This cheap flashlight from Amazon, which I'll put a link to, I don't recommend. If you're going to get one, get a brighter one. I had to work in a really dark environment to see anything. This one was near garbage. But that's it. I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.